Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the nitty-gritty comparisons so you don't have to. Today, we're putting two high-flying contenders head-to-head in a drone showdown. On one side, we have the Ruko F11PRO, and on the other, the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone. Let's see which one will soar to new heights and which one will crash and burn. Figuratively speaking, of course. First up, the price. The Ruko F11PRO is priced at $389, while the Potensic Atom is a bit more luxurious at $449. That's right, folks, for an extra $60, you could buy approximately 60 tacos. So if you're on a budget and love tacos, Ruko might just be your new best friend. Now, let's talk about flight time. Ruko F11PRO boasts a combined 60 minutes with its two batteries. Potensic Atom, on the other hand, offers a whopping 96 minutes with its three batteries. That's right, 96 minutes. Reviewers love the extended flight time of the Potensic Atom, praising it for allowing extended aerial adventures. Camera quality is next, and this is where things get spicy. The Ruko F11PRO has a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable angle. Potensic Atom also offers 4K, but with a 3-axis gimbal and a Sony CMOS sensor. Reviewers rave about the Potensic Atom's camera quality, comparing it favorably even to more expensive models. So if you want your drone footage to look like it was shot by Spielberg himself, Potensic might be the way to go. Features. Ruko F11PRO comes with Follow Me mode, Tap Flare, Point of Interest, and hand gesture shots. It's like having your own personal drone butler. Meanwhile, Potensic Atom has visual tracking, quick shots like pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, boomerang, and more. Reviewers appreciate the fun and versatile features of both drones, but highlight Potensic Atom's additional quick shots as a standout. Wind resistance. Ruko F11PRO can handle level 6 wind resistance, which is basically a mini hurricane. Potensic Atom, level 5. Reviewers note that the Ruko F11PRO performs admirably, even in windy conditions, making it a safer bet if you live in a place where the weather's more unpredictable than your ex. Both drones have GPS auto-return, but Potensic Atom's enhanced GPS capabilities and return-to-home feature make it feel like it has a built-in mom calling it back home for dinner. Ruko F11PRO? It will return home too, but it might stop for a coffee on the way. Reviewers appreciate the reliability of Potensic Atom's GPS and return-to-home features, highlighting its enhanced capabilities. Weight and portability. Potensic Atom is under 249 grams, meaning no FAA registration needed. It's like the drone equivalent of a carry-on bag. Ruko F11PRO? You'll need to register it. But hey, more weight means more stability, right? Reviewers especially love the portability and ease of use of the Potensic Atom, making it a favorite for travel. Overall, the Ruko F11PRO is praised for its affordability, solid build quality, and ease of use, making it a great investment for drone enthusiasts. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom is highly recommended for its superior camera quality, extended flight time, and user-friendly design, offering great value even compared to more expensive models. So which drone should you buy? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with solid features, go with the Ruko F11PRO. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for top-notch camera quality and extra flight time, Potensic Atom is your guy. Either way, you can't go wrong, but you can always go buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, smart shoppers, keep flying high and buying smart.